Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I present my case study, I want to introduce myself. My name is Devlin, and my name is 104012300300. And now I want to uh, explain about the case one. And in the first step, we will calculate the NPV, and this is the case. And now in this my calculate is first step is calculate NPV. As you know that the annual cash flow is $675,000, and the discount rate is 11%, and then the years R is 16. Then our initial investment is $4 million. And now for the calculate is this then we use the NPV formula by entering the number that are already known. Then we calculate, and then after we calculate, the result is $934, and the consolation is NPV is positive, about $934, and then this project is feasible because it generates add value for the company. And in the second step, we will calculate PI. Here we can find out with this formula. This is a formula, and namely CO is equal to initial investment. Then we enter the NPV that we have calculate as 934, this. Then add 4 millions, and then divide by 4 millions too, and produce the number 1245. And the consolation in this case is PI is 1245, meaning that every dollars investment will return for 1245, in indicating that the project is profitable. And then in the third step, we will calculate the ERR. We know the formula as follow this. Sorry for this. And in the first step, we will calculate the basic equation ERR. This. And then since the ERR is in exponent in the denominator, we cannot solve it algebraically and must be use numerical methods and trial and error or iterative methods. And the second step is we use the manual approach method. With ERR equal to 10%, then the result of stand is 1,279. Okay, and then since the NPV is still positive but too low, and we tried the higher ERR, and then we assume that the ERR is equal to 15.10%. This and produce for 249,945. This is the result. This, and the result is getting closer to zero with the numerical iterative methods, and ERR is 15.10% is obtained. And last, based on the calculation, NPV is positive. The project generate added value, and then the second is PI is more than 1. The project is profitable compared to the initial investment. And the third is ERR is greater than the discount rate. The project provide good returns, and the recommendation is Nova Animation Studio should continue its expansion because the project has the potential to increase the company's profitability and competitiveness. Thank you.
To find of the initial investment needed, you can search by adding up investment in the new product equipment and investment in the working capital. The total initial investment requirement by the Velocity X Motor Company is 500. Next, number 2, the way to find out net profit from the beginning to the end of the year is to determine revenue by multiplying the number of units by a selling price to get a value of 400. To get the cost of goods sold, or COGS, with the variable cost with unit multiplied by the number to be sold per year to get a value of 80,000. With a gross profit of 320,000, annual fixed cost value 160,000, less the depreciation expense to get the depreciation value with equipment cost divided by the duration of use, get a value of 40,000. With a result of 150,000. Get a tax by calculating the tax percentage multiplied by the result of 0, getting a tax value of 9,900 produces a net operating profit after tax value of 5,900 and add a depreciation expense of 45 because this depreciation is tangible asset, thus producing an operating cash flow of 120,900. Number 3, cash flow in the year. Velocity X Motor in the last year had a cash flow of 170,900 with returns including asset recovery and additional financial adjustment. Knowing the cash flow in the year 1 to 9 of 120,900, knowing the cash flow in the year 10 last year of 170,900 with a tax asset at 10% by calculating for years 1 to last year, or 10 with initial value of 500,000 rupiah, thus producing a financial value of 260 point, producing a final value of 262.155.35. Velocity X Motors is worthy of continuous expansion because the result of the NPV South Plus where this project is worthy of being continued and has a value more than one. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rizky. I'm from Group 2. Today I will explain case 3, namely expansion decision at Quantum Tech Solution. Okay. Quantum Tech Solution, a leading technology firm based in Japan, is considering the construction of a new production facility to manufacture its latest line of high-performance memory card. With increasing global demand for data storage solution, the management believe that expanding production capacity could be a strategic move to capture a larger market share. The proposed production facility will require an initial investment of 800 million yen and is expected to operate for 5 years. The financial team has decided to use the straight-line depreciation method, meaning the facility's value will be fully depreciated over its useful life. The company anticipates selling the new memory card at 15,000 yen per unit. However, the production process involves certain costs. Variable production cost per unit is 10,000 yen, and fixed salary expenses per year is 180 million yen. Before proceeding with the investment, the company's executive want to analyze the financial feasibility of the project. They have requested a break-even analysis to determine the minimum number of memory cards that must be sold annually to cover production costs. Your task is, as a financial analysis, is number 1, find the break-even analysis, calculate the accounting break-even number of memory card the company needs to sell each year. Number 2, strategic recommendation based on the break-even analysis. And what potential risk or challenge should the company consider before making the final decision? Okay, number 1. We are given investment like before. The Quantum Tech Solution will invest 800 million yen over 5 years. And second, annual depreciation expense, so 800 million yen divided by 5 equal 160 million. Okay, number 3 is fixed salary expense, 180 million per year. Total fixed cost is 160 million plus 180 million per year is equal 340 million per year. Next is selling price per unit, 15,000 yen. And lastly, variable production cost per unit is 10,000 yen. Number 1, calculate the accounting break-even number of memory card the company needs to sell each year. Okay, I'm using BEQ. BEQ is a break-even quantity because we want to find the number of memory card the company needs to sell each year. So BEQ formula is fixed cost divided by price minus variable cost. So the break-even quantity is 340 million divided by 15,000 minus 10,000 equal 68,000 unit each year. So the company needs to sell 68,000 memory card annually to break even. Okay. Number 2 is strategic recommendation. Based on the break-even analysis, quantum tech solution proceed with the expansion, if the company can sell at least 68,000 units per year, uh, maybe yes, it's feasible. Okay, and lastly, what potential risks or challenge should the company consider before making the final decision? We got 3 points here. Number one is raw material costs and supply chain. Volatility in component pricing may affect profitability. And number two is economic condition, exchange rate fluctuation, trade regulation, and global economic trends may impact sales. And lastly, number three, technological obsolescence. The memory the memory card industry is evolving rapidly. Investing in R&D is essential.
Uh, Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Hisham S and I'm here to walk through the financial analysis of the equipment acquisition option for Nexate solution. In this presentation, we will review the details of two financial alternatives, a loan option and a lease option, and provide a recommendation based on the analysis is defined. Financial analyst equipment acquisition decision for Nexate solution executive summary after comprehensive analysis of two financing alternative for the acquisition of high speed precision equipment. We recommend the lease option as the more financially advantageous choice for Nexate solution. The lease option offers present value saving of 5,700,000,000 won compared to the loan option, making it the more cost-effective alternative. Loan option analysis, loan details, loan amount 250 million won, term 6 years, annual interest rate 9%, equipment residual value 30 million won, corporate tax rate 35.6%, 35.6, annual payment calculation, annual loan payment 55 million won, annual depreciation straight line 36 million. Loan amortization schedule is the loan has a 6-year term with the annual payments of 55 million won. The interest component decreases over time while the principal payment increases. Tax benefits and cash flow. Total interest paid 84 million won. Total tax saving from interest 29 million won. Total tax saving from depreciation 77 million won. Next present value of the loan option 157 million won. List option analysis, list details, annual list payments 52 million won. Term 6 years. List payment are tax deductible. List payment schedule each year the company pays 52 million won and the tax savings are 18 million won. Tax benefits and cash flow. Total list payments 300 312 million won. Total tax saving 109 million won. Net present value the list option 151 million present. Comparison of option inside the loan option result in a higher current value NPV, but the list option rolls in low total payments and offer significant saving in terms of NPV. Loan analysts calculate the after-tax cost of the financing for loan option. After-tax cost of debt interest 1 mean tax rate 9%, one mean 35%, 50 45%. Computed the total cost outflows for purchasing the equipment, including loan payment and tax effect. Assumption loan payment are made of the beginning of the year. Loan and T1 loan payment 1 plus T. Next. Access the depreciation benefit is in if the company chose own the equipment. If Nexata solution causes the loan option to purchase the equipment, the company will gain the following depreciation benefit. One, depreciation calculation asset cost 250 million won, residual value 30 million won, 6-year term. Annual depreciation expense. Recommendation based on the analysis above were recommend Nexata solution to choose the least option due to the following reason. One, lower car value. Two, lower and more consistent annual cash flow. Three, no debt recognition on the balance sheet. Additional risk consideration before making a final decision. Management should consider the following financial risk. One, technology risk. Two, operational flexibility. Three, long-term tax consideration. Four, residual value. Five, maintenance cost. Thank you very much for your attention. And selesai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.